Capricorn, the devil. How are you? I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, and today is the 10th of November. Capricorn industry. Oh my God, this is so nice when I read for you. Capricorn, if you feel like leaving, I'm not gonna make you stay. But soon you'll find you can, but you can't escape my love. No, did he take the crown, or should the crown be given to? I wanna touch you till your eyes roll back. I'm trying to put you to bed, bed. Trying to put you to bed. You want me to tell you which never lost the vocals? Let me tell you who. Looking good anytime. Tell me, is there any more room for me in those jeans? Really thick and I like it. Tell me, is there any more room for me in those jeans? Looking good anytime. Tell me, is there any more room for me in those jeans? Looking good and I like it. Tell me, is there any more room for me? God, am I right seeing you from afar, and I couldn't stop myself from looking hard. You wore those jeans, boy, I got those jeans, and you make the thug wanna cry sometimes. I wanna know, boy, I wanna know if you look the bummer to me, maybe wanna get on one knee and get that thunder, and it only makes me wonder how it feels to get into those jeans. Really good, making time. Tell me, is there any more room for me in those jeans? And I'm crazy and I like it. Tell me, ooh, in those jeans. Tell me, is there any more room for me in those jeans? Looking and I like it. Tell me, is there any more room for me? Is there any more room for me, Capricorn, or are you not wearing pants? Let's go ahead and go into your reading. So, Genuine never lost his vocals, okay? Bed. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's go. Okay, great. Let's go into your 13th card reading spread. Let's go. Capricorn, I'm finishing with you today. Thank you. I appreciate your love and your honesty. What is your self-image, Capricorn? Let me see what your self-image in those jeans looks like. We got this. Okay, so we got the Queen of Wands. I'm getting you looking scrumptious. Now tell me, is there any more room for me in those jeans? I'm getting in that dress, you look good as well, don't worry. So I'm getting you feeling yourself, you're feeling very confident about your self-image. What's your value? The Sun card, are you valuing your baby? Maybe you're valuing your pregnant body. Are you with child? May I be an auntie? Okay, I didn't expect to have so much kids. I can be an auntie, it's okay, I can do it. I can do it, okay? I can do it. Just give me some time, I can do it, okay? So I'm getting a welcome a child. Is this a Leo? I'm getting Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Yeah, welcome a child. Hold on there, because you're welcoming a child or something like that. All right, let's go ahead and continue, okay? So let's see what your communication is. Your communication is the 7 of Pentacles. Okay, so I'm getting right now you just have a baby, but money is tight. So it's either you have to take care of the kid so you can't go back to work, or you cannot pay for daycare for the kid because you don't have enough money. What's your home life? The Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, I'm getting it's a really, are you pregnant are you having a baby in winter? I'm getting right now, I'm getting just right now, it really hectic and it's hard for you to navigate money with this child. I'm getting it, is it that you wait till the child reach a certain age so you can collect a benefit, or you're waiting until next year? What's the creativity? The Tower card. I'm getting everything creative got shattered. Maybe your dreams had to be put on hold because you have a baby and now you're low on money. What's your productivity? The King of Pentacles. Okay. I'm getting something about your boss. So either your boss taking long to pay you, your boss not give maternity leave, or something about your boss is being very dismissive when it comes down to you collecting your pay so you can provide for this baby. What is a partnership? The Ten of Pentacles is your partnership. Okay, are you with your boss? I'm getting is your boss, baby. The baby is for this Capricorn man. I'm getting you don't live nowhere, you don't have enough money, or until you say you have to wait until you can get more money, or I tell you to wait until the baby born, then him give you money. I'm getting you need to eat, the baby will have cravings. The baby going to want certain stuff, you need to can eat. Can you imagine you're fucking impoverished and you're blood clot pregnant? What does that baby crave? Dirt? So I'm getting partner, okay, well you don't want to give her nothing throughout the whole pregnancy. I hope you do a DNA test and I hope it come back positive and she just puts you on blood clot child support. You have this pregnant woman, she can't even buy her blood clot craving appetite because you're not giving her no money. Okay, you watch when that blood clot baby born, you will have no money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the inheritance? The 7 of Wands. The man don't want to share nothing with you. But guess what, sir? You didn't have to marry her and you sure never have a blood clot walk her down the aisle. You came in her. That's enough. See, I got divorced and me not get nothing. Me never get alimony, me never get spousal sponsorship, me not get nothing. You never marry her, but you claiming her. So now the baby going to get half of what you get for a living. You want girl and girl, they going to pay the fucking price for coming in, girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is your philosophy? Your philosophy is the police. Yeah, she'll put upon child support. I mean, I don't know if maybe they're going to try to call the police upon her for make Child Protective Services take with the baby before she can put upon child support. Come getting you're a wealthy man, the girl not wealthy. She look very nice and she pregnant. But you're the wealthy man. So your philosophy is the police officer, doing the right thing. I'm getting you're on the good side of law. That's what you would need to know. What's your ambition? The 2 of Pentacles. The community is the 9 of Pentacles. So I'm getting your... What the fuck is this? Because I'm getting the same man who get you pregnant and left with a baby. Him now interested in another girl that more looks like him. Now the Wands is a black woman, but so is Pentacles too. So he's going back and forth between you and this 9 of Pentacles apparently. Unless the man have police and watch this girl so she not date nobody. Meanwhile you over here so pregnant. You don't have nowhere to live. You don't even know where the man... I'm guessing the man have a lot of money though. Capricorn have a lot of money. A lot of money. It's just who he must spend it on. Or apparently he will not spend it on you until he gets in those jeans. Well, can he get into diapers? Because you're going to need to be spending money on diapers too. Okay? What's your inner self? The 10 of... Yeah, happy home. Happy home there. Happy home though. Unless this is something about you have 2 women. You have 2 women. One's a fire sign, one's an earth sign. 2 women you be with. I'm kind of getting you have somebody pregnant over here so with a baby and you see one girl over here so I want there with somebody. You're not allowing her to be with this person. What is this? I'm getting when you have a lot of money, you can buy a lot of pawns to play with. Or I'm getting you already have a family, you want more, you want another woman, you want more. Or I'm getting maybe the woman where you're there with, she knows so you have money, so anything you do, she turn a blind eye to. I'm getting you want this woman. Now there's something significant about this police officer. Is it that it's a police officer woman? The woman was a police officer's ex. Or am I getting don't get too close to that girl here, because that girl here coming like she's a police officer. What that means if you get your wife pregnant and leave her to be with somebody else, chances are she's going to make sure the wife puts you on child support. Because she's of the law over her. Let's draw some of these and we're going to leave it here. We have cuddle. Okay, so maybe no sex yet, but I'm still seeing some type of interest. We have PhD. Is it a doctor? Somebody might be a doctor. We have phone number. We have MK Ultra. Maybe that's what it is with Dr. MK Ultra. Oh, I was also getting, last night I was getting the message. You remember that movie called Limitless? Where there was this medication you could have taken and it would have give you extraordinary abilities as to how to use your mental prowess. Me getting one doctor, them a test one pill, it look like Limitless. Actually, that's already out already. The pill called Limitless, please do not go on the dark web. But it's on the dark web, right? So you can buy it like that. But also, me getting this doctor want to take medication. But I feel like I need to take it because there's some... Me getting something about when you take the medication, you're induced in a coma. And I don't know if I the dreams them, you get certain type of dreams while you're in this coma, but me getting something about when you take the medication, it enhances your ability to see things. It kind of like Limitless if you never watched that movie before. But PhD, Cuddle, MK Ultra, unless somebody want stem cell, so they're gonna get you pregnant and tell if I bought the baby. They want stem cell. Maybe that's why the Capricorn have so much money. You've been selling stem cells. Or are you a surrogate? I feel like there's a police officer. He is not dispatched to investigate something, but he might investigate something independently. And he's getting deeper and deeper, and he's going to find out that when he gets very deep, him friends them, which is police officer, will say, yo, look around too much. You need to stop now. And you're going to be frightened who actually knew what was happening. Cancer. The Magician. And aliens. And Taurus. So you can go and tell your doctor that the alien, which was born under the constellation of Taurus, says, catch me outside. How about that? I'm going to leave it here until next time. Bye.